Hi, and thank you for watching my video. Today we're going to talk about how to press those wood logs and how I do it. Anyway, I will show you. Okay, here is what we have mixed here is paper. You can use newspapers, everything who burns good in paper, and I have mixed it with sawdust. And here is how I made the press for this one. This is an material I got from work. It is actually from, if you are a truck mechanic you will recognize it, because it's a part when left over when you repair wagons, the suspension. So here is the press, which I easily can open like this, because when you press the logs they easily it can be difficult to remove them later, but I will show you the process. And here is the result I wanted. I wanted a square cube. It's not good if they become too big, because I guess they burn better if they are in a good size. Okay, now we can remove this one and bring this more closer, and now we fill up. I don't know if I can manage to do this with one hand, but we will give it a try. For later use I maybe want to try with something hydraulic later, because if you can press those harder they also will become harder later. I don't want to put too much, because then the size will become a little too big, and that is not what I want. Okay, now I take this one and